Right, it is time to give some scholarship money away to a hardworking high school senior.
That's right. With the help of American Furniture Warehouse, we are surprising 20 students with $2,500 for college. Today's winner's mom and dad were in on the surprise as well. This week's outstanding senior is a fierce track and field competitor. She's involved in her school's Yes Club, which focuses on volunteerism and giving back to the community. And she is heading to college to study nursing. Anna Vida Reyes went to George Bush High School in Richmond to surprise this talented student athlete.
Hi, I'm here with Alyssa Vogel from American Furniture Warehouse here at George Bush High School, and we're so ready to congratulate our KPRC2 Senior Scholarship winner.
Let's go make some college dreams come true.
Am I on the news? Congratulations! We are congratulating you today because you're going to be on the news for being KPRC2's Senior Scholarship winner! How do you feel?
I am shocked. OMG.
Yes. Do you think what you want to do when you go to college?
Nursing. I don't want to be generic, but I just like to help people. You know, I really like the hospital. It interests me. It speaks to me.
Tell me about track. I know that's something that you're so passionate about.
Yes, I am. I started in like 8th grade. 8th grade is when I got serious about it, but now I'm getting more serious about it. Hopefully I get a scholarship. I'm a sprinter. I run the 1, 2, and the 4. Very versatile.
Is there a college, though, that you kind of like are thinking about, that you like their track team, or that you've been kind of eyeing?
Prairie View or Texas State for sure. Top 2 colleges right now. My name is Demery Duplashane, and I am a KPRC2 scholarship winner.
Congratulations again to Demery and to George Bush High School in Fort Bend ISD.
And we do want to remind folks that all students considered for the KPRC2 American Furniture Warehouse Senior Scholarship are nominated by their high schools. You can keep up with our winners throughout the semester at clicktohouston.com/scholarships. We'll be right back.